Hello, hello, hello out there. I see you. I was walking outside and I see beautiful little flowers. And I thought to myself, you know why? Why not to make a painting of them? So I made it a painting and I'm here to teach you how you can make a painting too. Are you ready to paint? Let's go.
All right, little artists, so go grab some papers, some crayons, or even markers, and let's get started. Let's make some leaves, some highlights. Did you like the highlights? It does not need to be perfect. You can have fun with that. I'm making the flowers counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, and then you put a petal big and small, petals everywhere, and then a little yellow dots in the center. Can you believe this? And then I outline with a little gray. Find the color gray, and then you can outline them. And look at this, isn't that amazing? Let me show you again how to make the little flower.
Don't forget that you are a great artist. You are amazing. I'll see you next class. Bye, guys. Hearts, hearts, hearts to you. Bye, friends.